Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, thank you for giving us a chance to inspire you today. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you a wooden earring kit that we got from Beebeecraft a while ago. They are an online craft supply shop and they were nice enough to send us some products for us to try. You can watch the unboxing video we made by clicking the link on the screen or on the description below. This kit includes wooden blanks in different shapes, jump rings, and fish hooks. The wooden blanks are a bit uneven in color, but it's not too much. I found the jump rings to be too thick compared to the fish hooks, but I think it's okay because they are also strong, which I like. You could hang the blanks to the hooks and wear the earrings as they come, but they will look very plain. They're meant to be decorated, but they don't include any supplies to do it. So I decided to show you how I decorated them with an acrylic paint set, along with brushes and a paint palette. If you're interested, you can find the links to all the materials below. For the first design, I mixed a little bit of red, white, and yellow to create three similar shades, and just paint some curved stripes at the bottom to make a bit of a dreamy landscape. And I used a bit of warm yellow to make a circle which looks like a little sun. For the second design, I used a dark green color and painted some stripes on each side, leaving an open space between them and a thin line in the center to create sort of a tropical leaf. And for the last design, I used some of my leftover green to paint a stripe on the bottom, and some of my leftover pink to paint another stripe on top of the green, which kind of makes it look like a watermelon. And finally, I added some white bits of paint because I actually forgot that watermelon seeds are dark, but I ended up liking it better this way. To put it all together, I would recommend using basic jewelry pliers to make it easier to open the jump rings. You just move both ends back and forth, get your wooden earring and a fish hook in there, and then close the jump ring. I think each pair of earrings took me about 15 minutes or so to make. So if you're able to get this kit and you have some materials around to decorate them, I would definitely recommend it. You can do simple designs and you'll still get great results. And it'll help you stay creative even if you have a busy schedule. For more inspiration and ideas to stay creative, productive, and happy, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!